basically the entire room setup. Our private pool, come on in. Hi guys, come on in. So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to a fresh new vlog. तो इस vlog में हम आप लोगों को देने वाले हैं रूम टूर ऑफ दी ताज एक्सोटिका रिजॉर्ट, जो कि है बेनोलिम बीच में, साउथ गोवा में. एंड अगर आप लोग मेरे गोवा के पिछले वाले व्लॉग्स देखना चाहते हो, डू विजिट माय चैनल एंड सी ऑल द अदर वीडियोस. नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द रूम टूर. दिस इज अ पूल व्यू रूम इन द ताज एक्सोटिका एंड आई एम गोइंग टू टेक यू थ्रू दिस रूम. इतने सारे दरवाजे, एग्जिट्स एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट है. इतना बड़ा रूम है कि हम लोग खुद भी कंफ्यूज हो रहे हैं कि कहाँ पे क्या है. तो हमारे साथ साथ आप भी एक्सप्लोर कीजिए एंड आप डेफिनेटली यहाँ पे आ सकते हो. सो we'll start from this corner. Like you can see, there's a very nice vintage looking oval mirror right here. And उसके नीचे यहाँ पे एक plain white desk है. It's very beautiful, very classy. And उसके नीचे यहाँ पे एक टूल दिया हुआ है. This is the main section of the room. जब आप सीधा यहाँ से आते हो ना एंट्रेंस से, यहाँ पे आप लोगों को दिखता है the pantry section. This is a beautiful wooden work वाला pantry. Look at that. I mean, एक detail is so awesome. इसको जब मैं ओपन कर लेती हूँ, what I like the most about this thing is that this is a coffee machine which I actually have never seen in any other hotel actually अभी तक. तो यहाँ पे 2 coffee cups है and then there's a water heater here, then you have some wine glasses here and some mineral water and let me take you through the part which excites me a lot, the tea sachets, the coffee sachets, all kinds of tea basically. तो ये मैंने बंद कर दिया. नीचे यहाँ पे there is a fridge right here, so you can get your own drinks and chill them here. And यहाँ पे actually milk sachets भी है. Coming further up ahead, you have a grand Samsung TV right here, जो हमें पता नहीं है हम कितना देखने वाले हैं, क्योंकि यहाँ पे एक्टिविटीज काफी सारी है एक्सप्लोर करने के लिए, इंक्लूडिंग साइकिलिंग and a lot of other water sports etc. So we'll explore that. Now उसके भी आगे आप आते हो तो यहाँ पे बहुत ही सुंदर यूनिक चेयर है, जहाँ पे आप बैठ के एकदम you can just have a cup of coffee and read a good book. फिर जब आप सामने आ जाते हो, यहाँ पे there is another desk here. So basically, because this is situated in Goa, I can see a lot of Portuguese touch architecture of this room. So यहाँ पे भी एक plain white desk है. And see the contrasting blue walls. I think it is a great contrast. And look at that structure. It's very nice. Look at the fan. Please show them the fan. It's amazing. Each and every detail is very awesome here. And then you have the bed here, the grand double-sized bed. And uske samne, there's another place where you can just sit and chill or maybe keep your luggage, whatever the hell you want to do actually. And यहाँ पे see very basic but very beautiful 2 plates रखे हुए हैं यहाँ पे. And again the blue wall which I'm loving. The contrast of the blue and white is really working. And यहाँ पे there's this huge side table with a huge mirror. So यहाँ पे आप रेडी हो सकते हो, अपनी चीजें रख सकते हो. You can do all of that. And उस साइड में you have the telephone. And I'd like to show you guys the telephone in a little bit of detail because they've made it so convenient. So what they've done is, these are all one press switches. So you can just press this switch and it'll go to guest services. You press this, it'll go to the spa. So कोई नंबर याद रखने की भी आपको जरूरत नहीं है. यहाँ पे आपको एक notepad and pencil भी provided है. Again some water. Then there's a good night and then there are some QR codes. Menu scanner है ये. So you can also order in food, right? And then यहाँ पे you have a beautiful lamp जो आप night lamp के हिसाब से use कर सकते हो. Again some very minimal but very beautiful decor here. Continuing with the white and blue accent of the room, we have a blue sofa here and we have white pillows contrasting the blue sofa. So there's more than enough space in this room. And then there is again this wooden table. So in case it's a corporate sort of a visit to this room, then आप यहाँ पे बैठ के काम कर सकते हो. Because view भी बाहर amazing है. I'll show that to you in a while. So I've already shown this white desk to you. इसके नीचे हमने यहाँ पे luggage place किया हुआ है. After this tour is done, we will sort of take out all the stuff from the luggage and the room will become messy. Anyway, jokes apart. Coming to the highlight of the room, जिसके बाद आपको मैं वॉशरूम एरिया दिखाऊंगी. So now basically there's a small story to this. हम लोग को बोला गया था कि पूल व्यू रूम है, तो हमें लगा जो यहाँ पे कॉमन पूल होगा उसका एक व्यू मिलेगा, नॉर्मल व्यू. बट वी हैव अ प्राइवेट पूल यू गाइस, जो हम अभी एक्सप्लोर करने वाले हैं मेरे हस्बैंड के बर्थडे पे. लेट्स नाउ गेट इनटू आवर प्राइवेट पूल. कम ऑन इन. So guys, welcome to our private pool. Look at this place. We'll get up the stairs also and show you. This is the most exciting part, you guys. यहाँ से you can enter your beautiful private pool, and then when you walk up ahead, आप यहाँ पे एकदम relax कर सकते हो. You can have your mocktail, you can read a book here as well, sunbathing, and all of that, full of greenery on all sides. And वहाँ पे if you see there's another resting couch, वहाँ पे अपना towel सुखा सकते हो. Like I'm saying, each and everything is planned out here, you guys. वहाँ पे two people can just sit and have their coffee, have some sort of chatter, discussion. वहाँ पे आप अपने pool से नहा के निकल के वहाँ shower ले सकते हो. Look at each and every detail. The gardening is absolutely on point, and I would like to show you guys the sea, which you can also see from our room. So not only do we have a private pool, you can also see the sea from our room. So that, and yeah, so I guess हमने pool area cover कर लिया है. Now we are left with the washroom area. So let's take you there. सबसे जब आप राइट लेते हो, this is basically a walk-in, proper walk-in wardrobe. तो यहाँ पे you have these hangers जहाँ पे आप अपने clothes hang कर सकते हो. You can keep your shoes here. You can iron your clothes here. यहाँ पे you can also store your cosmetics or any other stuff. You have a locker here also. In case you're carrying some jewelry or something valuable, you can always keep them here. And yeah, lots and lots of storage. हम basically हमारा पूरा luggage यहाँ पे shift कर देंगे कुछ देर बाद. Then we walk into this space, which is actually your bathing area. So you have another grand mirror right here. Then this is your showering area. Look at that. The showering area is huge, you guys. And वहाँ पे Forest Essentials की सारी toiletry दी गई है आपको. Bathing gel, shampoo, conditioner, everything is available right here. Now, another highlight of this room is the bathtub. Of course, ये भी हम explore करेंगे. So we are here for not even 24 hours, but we'll try and explore as much as we can. That is the plan, you guys. So यहाँ पे bathtub है. The towels are very well presented here. You have a bathing robe here. And यहाँ पे you have two basins, okay? And यहाँ पे भी आपको Forest Essentials की सारी hand washes, soaps वगैरह दी गई है. Then your toothpaste, shaving gel, toothbrush, and then you have a plant to add some greenery ka touch to the washroom, which is making it amazing, okay? And now please show them this. This is a zoomed in mirror, so basically this gives you this gives you clarity when you shave, or you get it, right? So that's amazing, a very nice feature. Now हम यहाँ से क्या करेंगे, पूरा सा निकलेंगे. Let's just show you the washroom, which is a separate door, okay? So look at how grand the washroom is. That's the wash basin. You have a soap there, and then this is the toilet seat. Absolutely spick and span. So dear husband, आपके birthday पे हम Taj Exotica में हैं. How are you liking it?
I'm feeling excited.
Are you happy?
Very much.
So you want to explore the swimming pool and the bathtub now?
Obviously.
Yes, and यहाँ पे ना आप लोगों को जो मैंने बोला additional काफी services मिल जाएंगे. So you can also get bicycles and all here, and they have buggy service to your room. So any time of the day आप buggy service भी ले सकते हो. So yeah, अभी हम लोग यहाँ पे explore करेंगे. You can understand how excited we are, right? So just loving it. अभी मैं आप लोगों को एक full frame दे देती हूँ room का, just like a highlight and an overview of the whole room. So this is basically the entire room setup. Just look at the white and blue accents. Love them. Mirror, I guess, is पूरे room में there are about 3 to 4 mirrors. So I'm loving that. And this is the entire room. I love that structure as well. You have the TV. That's a resting chair, like I said. This is your bed. Side tables. That's like a working table. And once again, I'll walk you to our private pool. And you can see private beach of Taj there. Hey guys, so I'm checking in after quite some time actually. So basically we had dinner and buffet dinner, and my husband cut his birthday cake which was arranged by Taj itself. मैंने उनको request किया था cake के लिए and they happily obliged. So yeah, I think the service here was just amazing. And इन्होंने डेकोरेशन, बैलून डेकोरेशन जो आपने देखा वो भी उन्होंने खुद से ही किया. I didn't even request them for that. उन्होंने खुद से वो किया. So 1 second. So I think ये vlog काफ़ी छोटा होने वाला है. I'm not very sure. But guys, we are completely exhausted. सुबह से we've been to 3 beaches. Mobor, Bilam Batim, I think Sarna Batim was the 3rd beach, yeah. And then we went to the swimming pool, and then we had a nice shower. We went to the bathtub as well, and then we had some nice dinner. And yeah, now we are back to our rooms. So कल का ड्रिल मैं आप लोगों को बता देती हूँ. टुमारो वी वॉन्ट टू वॉच द सनराइज, बट आई डोंट नो वो कितना पॉसिबल होगा, बट वी डू इंटेंड टू वॉच इट. एंड देन उसके बाद यहाँ पे ना, लाइक आई थिंक मैंशनड अर्लियर कि यहाँ पे कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री बाईसाइकिल्स दे गिव यू फॉर 2 hours, राइट. सो वी प्लान टू टेक दैट बाईसाइकिल एंड राइड इट फॉर अ वाइल, बिकॉज यहाँ पे द कैंपस इज रियली वेरी वेरी प्रिटी. एंड उसके बाद वॉट वी प्लान टू डू इज वी एक्चुअली वी विल हैव द कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री ब्रेकफास्ट हियर. एंड या थोड़ा सा बीच में टाइम पास करेंगे. यहाँ पे जो ताज का जो प्राइवेट बीच है वहाँ पे थोड़ा सा टाइम पास करेंगे. देन वील आई थिंक अगेन गो टू द प्राइवेट पूल, थोड़ा सा वहाँ पे एंजॉय करके, नहा के फ्रेश होके, लगेज पैक करके, चेकआउट करके सीधे डाबोलिम एयरपोर्ट एंड वहाँ से सीधे मुंबई. दैट्स द प्लान फॉर टुमारो. एंड कल सेकेंड हाफ में आई थिंक मुझे भी थोड़ा सा ऑफिस का काम करना पड़ेगा. या एंड आई थिंक मेरे हस्बैंड को भी थोड़ा सा ऑफिस का काम करना पड़ेगा. बाय द वे आई कीप रेफरिंग टू हिम एज माई हस्बैंड. हिज नेम इज विवेक बेसिकली. सो नेक्स्ट टाइम मैं जब भी विवेक बोलूँ आप समझ लेना कि ही इज माई हस्बैंड. So yeah, that's about it. I am going to end this vlog right here. I think ये vlog छोटा था, but कल का दिन एक separate vlog होने वाला है. So I really hope that you're enjoying the Goa series. And if you are, then please let me know the same in the comment section. And if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And अगर आपने पिछले वाले vlogs नहीं देखे गोवा series के, आप वो भी check out कर लेना. And next vlog होने वाला है हमारा last day in Goa vlog, so don't miss that as well. I will see you very soon. Till then, good night, take care, bye bye.